Brad, can we take a little measurement here between that hook and where the foot? So you have 19 miles. So this storm is moving on you very shortly at a speed of 65 miles per hour. So you don't have a long time. So if you live in western Polk County, if you live in northwestern Polk County, western Floyd County, you need to make preparations now to take cover. In fact, you should be going down to your safe place immediately. Make sure the kids and you have a bike helmet, a motorcycle helmet, pillows, anything you can. You want to be away from windows and doors. It is the flying debris that can really cause serious injury. Just be away from windows and doors on the lowest floor possible. If you live along U.S. Highway 411, you need to take cover immediately. The storm is moving down right down through U.S. Highway 411, and it is a classic hook echo showing up here. That's likely going to be debris. Let's switch over, if we can, to velocity mode. Take a look at the centers of circulation here where we have the winds going toward and away from the radar. Again, this is a classic setup here. Again, this bright area here, this is where the tornado will be very likely to be. You can see that the motion in green is the wind that is moving toward the radar. The motion in red is moving away from the radar. When they're this close together, you know you have a strong and powerful wind circulation. And this is a very powerful signature showing up in our radar's velocity mode. So the tornado right here, and the rain would be wrapping right around that tornado, and our radar is penetrating all of that to actually see the wind circulation here. So again, it is very, very evident that we have a tornado that is now approaching the Floyd County line as it continues to move toward the east at a speed of 65 miles per hour. So very likely seeing some very heavy rain now in west and northwestern Floyd County. Extreme rain is about to cross over the border here in western Floyd County. Numerous cloud-to-ground lightning strikes are being observed here. The BTI index has gone down slightly, but still in that probable range for a tornado at 7. On a scale of 1 to 10, the higher the number, the greater the probability that a tornado exists in the thunderstorm. The signature is definitely there. Pope, it is on you now. Ellisville, 1 minute.
The sky is the best.
Lodsat in about 2 minutes. Bomar in 4 minutes. Tucker Crossroads, this is going to arrive in 5 minutes.
The best weatherman.
In 6 minutes. Over toward Key in 6 minutes. And Sandy Springs in 8 minutes. Now, that's not the Sandy Springs that's in the Fulton County area. This is also in Floyd County. So we're watching this very carefully now. The intense cloud-to-ground lightning is going to be a major concern as well. Numerous lightning fires will likely result of this storm. And you can see these supercells that are now lining up just south of I-20. They are from Anniston, Alabama, south of I-20, all the way down to Montgomery. These two are moving to the northeast at about 65 miles per hour. These are supercell thunderstorms, very powerful, and you'll notice these red boxes outlining these storms. Every single one of these supercell thunderstorms has a tornado warning with it, and you can see now it is approaching the Georgia-Alabama state line, pretty much where we thought, between 8 and 9 o'clock tonight. So again, we need to take cover immediately in western Floyd County and northwestern Polk County. Let's put up the lightning here, Brad, if we can, just to show you, or David, 215 strikes here in 10 minutes. 10 minutes! And look at that, over 6.5% are the positive lightning strikes, hundreds and thousands of times more powerful than the negative strikes. Tornado still very evident here with the hook echo. The storm tracking now at Bomar. Right now, Key, you have just about 2 minutes to 3 minutes to get ready. Sandy Springs again, not our Floyd County Sandy Springs, or rather our Fulton County Sandy Springs. 4 minutes to there. Adams Crossroads in 5 minutes. Wharton in 5 minutes, 6 minutes into Forney, and Osceola in 7 minutes. Ross Cabot is right now in Floyd County. He is on the phone with us, right in the path of the storm. Ross, tell us what you see.
Well, we got some rain now starting. The sky is lighting up with lightning. Tornado sirens have gone off in Rome. Stores are closing. People are now heading for cover here. Winds out of the south that sustain 20 miles an hour. Again, over the mountain, the lightning is just flashing from the southwest. As you mentioned, this storm about to cross the state line into Floyd County. People are taking this extremely seriously, especially since the fact they went through a pretty nasty event this morning. They've been expecting around 2. They seem to be ready for it. There are still some cars out on the streets, but again, the sirens have gone off for a good 10 minutes here, and people are heading for cover. Hopefully we'll have some video for you here in just a few minutes. But again, the rain is starting, the winds are kicking up, at least 20 miles sustained out of the south as we prepare for the storm to come across.